cheap organic seeds at Walmart. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden. Here we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other important events. So today we're going to be talking about cheap organic seeds. I am here at Walmart and they have their seeds out already, and they have some great cheap organic seeds. Starting at $1.44, you can get a lot of different seeds here for vegetables, herbs, and flowers. Stay tuned to the end of the video for vegetable and flower guides. It tells you when to plant and what to plant, so stay tuned for that. They have a lot of variety of vegetables here, and most of them have uh, a long shelf life. So on this side they have seed tape. Seed tape is an easy way for you to plant items in a row, and these are big packs of seed disc that you can plant and plant items easily. So, and these are bigger packs. These ones are $3.97 for this easy packing containers. So there are simple ways to plant your seeds in a row or in a particular pattern that you want. So here you have flowers and other stuff that you can definitely, if you tend to grow flowers, you want to get them now and start getting ready. If you're gonna plant them in containers, then you want to do that now. You want to do that now if you have a greenhouse, or if you have a little area inside that you can do it. But later on in the spring, then you can definitely plant them, start planting your flowers. So these are the flowers that they have here. A lot of variety of flowers, some for sunny areas, some for shades. And here we also have some nice favorite items on this side, which is you have cucumbers, you have parsley, you have green beans, garden beans, tomatoes, and peppers. So we have some good selection here of a variety of items that you can plant in your garden. If you have other great ideas on where to get cheap seeds or free seeds, please leave them in the comments below. I will put in the comments below the few places that I know where you can get free seeds and cheap seeds. So also just check it out. Also, I have a couple of videos that shows you how to germinate your seeds faster and how to plant in containers and how to transplant it. So I'll also put the links to those below so that you can check it out. Vegetable guide. So these are the plants that you can start indoors right here. And these are the plants. This is what to plant early in spring so that you get better production and it does well. So, and these are the plants to plant after the last frost, so that way it's not gonna kill the plants. These are flower guides. These are flowers that you can start indoors, and these are flowers that need partial shades. Where you can plant them, where it just gets only partial shades. And these are plants for bouquets. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notifications on upcoming videos. And also, don't forget to share with friends and family and co-workers. Thank you and have a fabulous day.